guys, welcome back to my channel. If you notice, I'm starting to get sick, so my throat kind of hurts a lot, so I can't fully enunciate all my words, but it's not going to stop me from doing a video. So today, I think maybe like a couple of days or last week or so, I know it was within this month, I did a monthly subscription with this eyelash company called On-Fleek Box, where I do the monthly subscription, as I said. And today I got my monthly box, so we're gonna see the eyelashes that I got in the box today. And here is the packaging address here. And I forgot yesterday was a national holiday, so I was expecting to come in on Monday, but I realized, oops, my bad. Yeah, so let's open. I can open. There you go. Oh, so this is the packaging inside the actual packaging, like I said, On-Fleek Box. And then this is their social media handle, so I'll probably tag them and put the link in my description box. So let's open. Okay, so I got 4. So it says right here, a gorgeous set of lashes. Yeah, fit for a queen. I had to look at it because I couldn't see it from the bottom. And then put this little here. Yeah, so it says continue your 2020 On-Fleek Box journey with a friend. Send this to a friend it should be to them. And use prepositions. The noun has to be a pronoun. But this is terrible. The sentence is terrible. I'm sorry. I'm a fanatic with grammar. My brush I'm showing here. I'm not a fanatic. I'm kind of a stickler with grammar. It's supposed to be send this to a friend to them. Send this to a friend so they could get 20% off their first box. I think they were trying to say is send this to a friend so they can get 20% off of their box. But still, that's good. I know I have some friends who are really into makeup in my family too. So hey, 20% off on their first makeup. And then the code would be Friends on Fleek 20. And then it gave me information right here on what I got for this month's box. So I got Superstar, a beautiful pair of 3D layered mid-face lashes that will have you turning heads left to right. That was $20. Naughty. I feel like they spell naughty wrong. I really am trying to be here for it, but grammar and spelling, bruh. If you're gonna be a company, you gotta spell naughty right at least. Create with a gorgeous spread, a wisping ends, perfect for seducing any guy on site. That was $20. Glow. Design in an arch snowflake pattern, these lashes will provide you a subtle flex. That was $18. Boss, a flat winged style that pairs well with winged eyeliners. That was $18. So yeah, let's see. Boss. Yeah, they definitely misspelled naughty. Because this is how it's supposed to be spelled right here. yeah, I actually like the packaging and the eyelashes. I just felt like if you're gonna send like a little note, at least make sure it's spelled right. Like proofread that, because I'm a huge stickler with spelling and grammar. Because if you're a business, you gotta know how to spell and write sentences. That's all I'm saying. Yeah. So this is Superstar. I'm debating if I want to actually put them on, but I'm terrible at putting eyelashes on. But I think, let's open it. If I can open it, because all the names are kind of gone. There you go. Oh no, it feels really soft. Like, cause I got different eyelashes before, and they don't feel really natural kind of eyelashes. But I kind of like it. Yeah. Like, I might wear some of these to work one day. It's just feeling super extra or on a date or so. But yeah, that's what Superstar looks like. And then what's frustrating for me is with eyelashes, it's kind of hard to wear with glasses. So yeah, so I have to have like my glasses like here so they don't brush, or they're gonna like full on brush on the glass. There we go. And then here is Naughty. Naughty has a really like poof kind of look. Like, yeah, you can see the difference. And let's open it up. There you go. It's kind of hard to open. You got only like 2 nails left. But yeah, these are like, you can like kind of see it kind of curl out, which I kind of like. This is definitely like more of a pair of lashes I would wear to like a party or something, not like a everyday wear. But who knows? Who knows? But yeah, that's what Naughty looks like. Like, I don't know. I may try to wear them on Thursday when I gotta go to work. And then oh Jesus Christ, I can't put these back in. There you go. And then super glow. I'll say super glow. And then here is glow. It's more toned down, which I kind of like. But still, these are really cute. These might be actually like my favorite pair of eyelashes. So yeah. So you can see, it still has a little wing, and then some pieces are longer, and then others. Yeah, I like it a lot. See, right there. I may put one of these hairs on, but it's gonna be hard because I am terrible at applying fake false eyelashes. It's one of the things I'm still a little rough on with my makeup. And then last but not least, Boss. So yeah, look at that. Alright. Yeah, it's still it's kind of I would say kind of the same to maybe Supernatural. Not Supernatural, I mean Superstar. Oops. But yeah, really do like it. But Glow is probably my #1 favorite, and then Naughty would be #2, and then Boss would be #3, and then Superstar would be #4. But yeah, I do like the packaging. I just don't like the little note that they left had grammar mistakes and spelling mistakes. Because I'm like, if you're, I'm like, as I said, if you're a business, you gotta know how to write proper sentences and know how to spell words. Because that's I can't even think of words, but literally, like, it's just important. Because, like, these are probably adults who are running this business. I feel like you want to prove that you're smart, educated when doing a business. But anyways, I'm actually excited to get my box for February, and we will try. I'm gonna try Naughty, see what it looks like. So it's gonna be fun. So let's see the magic. Ta-da! Okay, so on my left eye, I did the glow eyelash, so you can see it's kind of more like natural tone, so it looks more like a natural, like my natural eyelashes a little bit. And then the second one, where is the second one? There you go. Sorry, I did Naughty on the right, so it's kind of more extra out there. I did eyeliner, so it looks a little something on how it would look. I didn't realize this one's kind of a little lower, but yeah. So this is what the looks like on my face, but I'm more feeling the glow more because I used less glue and made sure it was kind of closer to my actual eyelashes. Well, this one I put too much glue on the inner corners, so it was hard to get it properly on. But yeah, so these are the two eyelashes I put on. This is what it looks like. I really am into this one more than the very extra curly out in your face kind of look. But hey, you gotta figure out what kind of eyelashes you're really more into to figure out what you like. And I do want to show you guys, this is so off topic, like I mean off topic. I did get some more signs, so you can see I got hello, love, and then moon. I got those from Five Below. Yeah. But besides that and the eyelashes, I really am hoping you guys you guys are enjoying your day, afternoon, or evening. And until then, bye guys.